Okay, so this is going to be a short video on how to become user on the Jeeves box by capturing the first flag. So here's a look at the website. At first, nothing much about it. While we look at it, we're just going to run a nmap scan. So we're not going to make it, alright, too comprehensive. So we're just going to do some simple arguments with it. We're not going to add dash p dash to do all 65,000 ports because that probably just going to take way too long. And while that's running, we could also open dirbuster. So we already see the main ports that are available. If we do a comprehensive scan, there might be something else that we're missing. But for now, we're just going to run on this. And first, once this finishes, we'll see what else there is. So let's just get the word list for directory buster. And these are the first, pretty much the first two things I do when I decide to attack a box, is run these two types of attacks. Okay, so we know that there's an error.html, so let's see what this search bar does. Okay, and this gives us the error. So there's a server error. There's some more things popping up. Extra directories, it looks like. Okay, so this scan is finished, the nmap scan. We notice that port 80 is using HTTP, and we also see that port 50,000 here is using HTTP, which is a Jetty 9.4 snapshot. So right now, I'm just gonna see what else this website has. Let's say, yeah, nothing else. It's the same error message with the MySQL 2005 database. Okay, so let's actually stop this attack and let's make this go 63. Let's make this check port 50,000 instead. It's 5,000. Alright, sorry about that. Probably not gonna edit that out. Don't really want to. Alright, so let's do the IP. So it's 50,000. Please, forgot the extra zero. Alright, you can just close that right now. Start. And let's do this at 100 threads again, so it's a little bit faster. And let's see if it catches any more directories. So right now, we could just see if there's anything going on port 50,000. Okay, so it says problem accessing the root directory. Could also see that SMB security. It does have port 445 on here. So Microsoft 7 to 10. Maybe another point of attack can be exploiting SMB in some way. Maybe it's still vulnerable to eternal blue. So just gonna wait for this to finish. Okay, I really have to speed that up a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause it right now. Alright, so it has, let's go to slash ask Jeeves. Alright, and it appears we have the Jenkins dashboard. And we can see different types of options here. We're going to be more interested in the script console, but if you are trying to do other things with this box, you can see a lot more options by going into these other settings. You can see, I think this shows the users on the box. Yeah, the administrator user. So we're just going to go to manage Jenkins and we're going to go back to the script console. So earlier in here, it's on desktop, I have a file. So yes, it's important to see that this uses Groovy scripts. So that's a certain type of script that Jenkins is able to read with, and let's copy this. All right, cool. So I already did this box, so I know where it is, but I'm just gonna go through it as if it's a first time running it. I had to search around and create the script a little bit, searching through other ways to find it, because I didn't able to figure this out immediately. But we're gonna list files in the current directory. So we can see all these options, or all these other directories and all these files or these executables and everything. But we're more interested in, so where is the box? Where is it always? The first flag. The first flag is always in, it says, say for this one, it's always in home and the username. So let's go back here and we're gonna go to, let's read in C drive. So we got C slash users. So we have all these different ones. So let's check in administrator. Nothing? Okay. Let's go back and read the other ones. Let's go default. So we got all this all this other information. This is Windows, so it you're gonna see the common things that are in Windows. So you see app data, things that are not as common to see in Linux. So let's go back, see what other ones there are. My bad. Let's try Koshuk. So we have all of these now. Let's try documents. Nope. Let's try desktop. Oh, and there it is, user.txt. So I need to use a different Groovy script to actually read it, and that's this one here. So we're going to copy it, and we just want to put this directory, or the path in there. Slash user dot txt, and let's remove the rest of this and run this. And there's the flag. And this is where you could put it if you are trying to get if you're trying to get just a user on the system, not root. So thanks for watching.